Do this. Let's do this, baby. We have what? T minus a minute and a half. Yeah. Let's get some manipulation going on here. Where's my music? 1 minute. 1 minute till. What is this? No. How do I get rid of this? Alright, 20 seconds. 20 seconds, baby. Alright, we are open. We are open. Alright, let's see how we react off this level. We're still in that accumulation. 1 minute. 1 minute, we might break out here though. Let's do this. Let's see if we can sweep out London low. Let's see. Let's see if we can. Oh my gosh. Hello. That's pretty good reaction going on there. Let's see if we can take out Asia session lows. What kind of juicy? See if we can make an inverse forming, we might. Get a tiny inverse here. So let's see what we do with that. We took out London session lows. Let's see if we can. I'm gonna break that. My contract should be. Let's see here. We break that. Like, oh, 6 contracts. I'll go like 4. I'll go 4 contracts. Play low of the day. Alright, let's see how we react off of this. I'm looking at something like this right now. Oh shit, this is what I'm looking at. We might have a play here, we'll see. Let's see. We could just sell off pretty hard here. then target above VWAP is target. But as of right now, we are respecting this gap, this 1 minute inversion. So I'm not in this trade. I am not in this. This is just me drawing it up. I low-key wouldn't mind us taking out Asia session low though. It would not bother me at all. So if we respect this inversion, I will think about going long. So I want to manipulate this pivot low. Right now I'm just looking for some manipulation because our accumulation is already happening. Just want to see how we react off this. If we push low of day, this trade's scratched. This won't be the same trade. We'll have to wait for new structure if that's the case. Looks like we might take low day. Which again, I don't care. Doesn't affect me. Is there news? No, there's no news today, so. We sweep liquidity. Yes and no. Yes and no. If you guys want to see my full screen, you have to go on my YouTube because I don't have access until 30 days on TikTok Live. So I have to like go off my phone for a little bit. But it's no big deal. This will do for now. I would just check out low day. Ready? Alright, so I don't know if I want to take this inverse fair value gap, considering the fact that we just made a new low. That stuff usually not a fan of. Yeah, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not doing this. This is not the same trade. This is not what I want. Oh, that's a pretty good reaction right there. That's a pretty sweet reaction. We just hit. We're kind of like in between zones right now, just speaking the 15-minute and 30-minute. That's a solid bar though. That's a solid bar. Ooh, I actually might take this. That's a really good reaction right there. Alright, if I can get below, we can get below here. I wish we took out Asia session low, but I don't know if we're going to. I do something like this. Target previous day New York session highs. Let's see if we can maintain bullish structure here. Breaker structure would be nice to the upside. We can close this 1 minute, but we'll have to see how that how this reacts. So we can close above here, just be a little extra more confirmation. We don't have to have it, but looks like we're fighting. Nice. So we've closed. We just made this gap right here. So I could actually take this. We could rip though. Alright, manipulation's good though. I just wish we took out Aegis Session Low though. I do wish we did that. Alright, let's see how we react off his Fair Value again. I want to see how we react off this. Yeah, I'd probably just take almost low a day. Alright, just tapped into it. Just target. These highs up here. Really wish we took out Aegis Session Low, but that's a pretty crazy looking candle. So that might be our manipulation going on there. Hourly 30-minute. Might low key take a 940. Yeah, there's still plenty of time. Still plenty of time. Let's see if we can get double reaction. We might just immediately dump through this. Like low-key would not surprise me. Alright, we did a retest of the zone. I'm gonna put my order in. Trade. Let's wait for this candle closure, see how we react. $20 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh my. Hello. Yeah, so that's why you wait for confirmation, guys. That's a pretty mean wick. Yeah, I'm gonna wait just a little bit more. Cause we just invalidated that 1 minute gap. We just totally disrespected it. But sometimes it pops right back up. So we'll see. Yo. Can this gold guy chill out? Get this bot out of here. Wait, can I remove this, bro? That's hella annoying. Alright. I don't know. Oh, gold. Alright, let's see what we do here. We might now inverse. Oh. Ooh. Okay, if we can close above this, I'm still down. I'm still down for longs, which we just did. Let's put a stop order in. Probably go below this low. Yes. I still want 4 contracts. Target above VWAP. Come on, baby, give me some strength. What I'm not a fan of is that the fact that we're just dancing around this zone. Which, I mean, it's not a bad thing considering we're creating accumulation. Alright, this is junk. That's invalid. I actually would not mind seeing Aegis Session Lows get taken out and we enter that 15-minute zone below. That would be ideal. We take out this no liquidity. Right now we're still kind of manipulating off this consolidation. So let's see how we react off of this. Let's see what happens. I want to see. Actually, I want to see AJ Lowe get taken out. I want to see it. That'd be pretty nice, but I don't know if we will. Time is it? Alright, it's 9:45 for the first 15-minute candle. It's about to close. And looks like we're grabbing some pretty strong liquidity. This could be the bottom here. I'm not trying to time it. I'm just trying to see how we react. Let's move this over. You guys. Alright. Come on. Like we low-key just made a new accumulation zone though. Look, I kind of see this going on. Look, I kind of see this happening. Alright, let's see. Let's see Asia session get taken out. Because the only problem with this zone is that yeah, it's being respected in the 15-minute, 30-minute. But I don't like how we're so wicky. So many tails, topping tails, bottoming tails. So I want to see how we react to this. Because in this way, we'll actually manipulate this now 1-minute consolidation. Let's see how we I'm hoping we just take it out real quick. Oh, maybe dump. Give me a dump. Yeah, I would actually really like Aegis Session to get taken out. It's like what I'm eyeing now. Let's see. If you guys want to see my full screen, my YouTube and Kick stream on my full screen, my face obviously, not this like low end setup. I don't get TikTok live until my account is like 30 days old or something. Like to go live on my computer, so I have to wait right now. Alright, so let's say we grabbed this internal liquidity as we speak. But I still would like to see this low get taken out. That blue line that said Tokyo low, I want that to be taken out. There we go. That's what I want to see. So now I want to see. This is really perfect. I want to now see rejection. I want to see rejection now off this. We could just dump. We could just dump. So I'm looking for basically manipulation off these pivots. So we're obviously making higher highs and higher lows. See, that's a good reaction right there. We can hold it. If we can hold that. Do we get inverse gaps anywhere? No, we don't. So I could technically just. I mean, I'd like to not just buy off this. It's a little aggressive. That'd be a little aggressive, but then I would target probably top of the zone. I don't need much. I'll look for just 2 hour trades. Let's see. Let's see how we react. That's pretty good. Alright, if I buy 4 contracts. Make a new low. And then target just top of our consolidations going. That low-key could be a good trade. Maybe I'll take this right here. Might be able to take this. See how we react. Alright. Alright, that is not what you want to see. I'm not in this, I'm just looking. Just kind of scoping out what it would look like. We're a bit weaker than I thought we would be. Not gonna lie, we're a little bit weaker than I thought, but if we can do an internal sweep, so if we sweep this low, we could be looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. We have an hourly. We're entering an hourly gap right now as we speak. 30-minute. We're now we just filled a 30-minute gap. So if we can sweep that, that'd be low-key golden, bro. I like that movement, but I need more I low-key want more volume. Need more volume out of it. Yeah, so at this point, we are really dumping. You could have taken shorts. I don't think I do. Alright, so now we take out London low and Asia low. 30-minute. You're really dumping on 30-minute. Be kind of nice if we can fill that hourly gap, which is that dotted line. We can fill that gap. Yeah, man, at this point, that's not even manipulation anymore. Alright, at this point, now we just wait. We just wait. Because we are pretty weak. We make any 15-minute. Let's see any. You definitely have this gap. Our previous day, London. We have an hourly gap. Alright, now we just gotta see this level, because this is a 30-minute demand zone as we speak. It's not the greatest zone in the world, but we're gonna see how we react after this. It's 9:53, so we have 7 minutes until 10 a.m. And usually, so 9:30, 10 a.m., uh, 10:30, and 11 is usually some form of reversal. It's just how the algos work. All right, let's see how we react. Accumulation on here. So now we have this guy. I mean, if we can invert, if we can take that out, it might be kind of nice. So let's see how let's see how that reacts. I'm hoping this doesn't trigger at 10 a.m., but alright, this is looking pretty good right now. Alright, that inverse just ripped. That's what happens when you fill the gap. Oh my god. What the? What is this? Holy cow. Dang, we just filled that instantly. That's like a really good reaction. Like really good. Let me guess, this thing's gonna V-bottom now? Be my luck. Alright. At this point, I'm gonna wait for a retest, probably, I don't know, 50% mark. So around that previous AJ session low. Let's see, I'm gonna draw this right here. Let's see how we close though. Now you have something like that. Your little fair value gap, eh? It'd be kind of nice if we did like a deeper retracement, but we might not get it. I was hoping it wouldn't just bounce. That's a big risk. You're just to take this. Now your stop is like massive. I mean, it's massive. I just don't see the practicality out of that. I mean, you could take something like that, but I'd rather wait. So how many contracts? If I do 5 contracts, I don't know. It's kind of like pushing it in terms of risk. The I still get 2 to 1 out of it. We get a. All right, so let's do. I want to put my order in. We're about to hit VWAP. Wouldn't mind seeing this get taken out. We play something like that. And we play target to New York session highs, previous New York session highs. Kind of what I'm looking at. We could definitely see some movement there. All right, so I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. reversal. My CPU. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. Sometimes they what they'll do is at 10 a.m. you're gonna see this you'll see this candle at 10 a.m. just dip down, give me like a tail, and then shoot back up. That happens actually a lot. So we might not pull back here. We might just keep going. It should be a shame. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. So like 45 seconds. 45 seconds. And that would be a, what is that? Oh, 15-minute gap fill? Yeah. Alright, let's see how we react here. Give me a dump. Give me a dump. I want to see a big flash crash. We might just pop here, though. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my for 4 contracts. I'm gonna put my order in. Cause we're showing really good structure right now. Yeah, so let me just do this. Be like something like this here. Something like goes around here. Alright, so let's put an order in. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Four contracts. I'll put my order in at around 27,372. But we might just rip. We might just rip. So let's see what happens here. Why am my screen just like refresh? Don't you dare miss my order. Alright, my order is in now. So let's see how we react off of this. See if you can feel me. Come on, go a little bit lower. Nah, that's devious. It came down to like 27, 378. Yeah, we might just push higher. On that 1 minute 50% retracement, but I don't think we're gonna get it. My order is in though. That is a order in trade. So basically, if we enter this gap again, I will be getting filled. Because I want to fill that, I want to fill that hourly. Come on, baby. Can you guys see that? Good. I know it's low quality, but I have better quality in my actual stream on TikTok, but alright, see if you film me here. Alright, I'm in as we speak. Alright, let's see if we can respect this gap here. And I'm looking still for that gap fill in the 15. The 15 minute, where is it? So right here. I am in I'm on my top step account right now. So that's a pretty good reaction. I'm not gonna. Alright, we can hold that. I'm looking for that 15-minute gap fill. So if we can break this pivot high right here, we can break that red line. I'll move my stop just to below the mark. I don't know why I didn't fill me on my other account. I am in this trade though. We can blast past the VWAP. There's a good chance we go higher. Now we just wait. We gotta get past the VWAP here. That's what we need to do. I don't know why this is actually. See if we can push up here. We now touch this gap 3 times, so We'll see how we act after it. I think it's a pretty good trade though. Yeah, but we were reacting good to it. We were. It's 10-10, so let's see. We need a good pump here. We can get if we can get past VWAP, we'll be looking pretty good. But if not, we might struggle a bit. We might dump right now. Oh boy. Yeah, we might be getting stopped out here. I don't regret this trade though. So it is what it is. I'm not mad about it. I was going for a little bit of reaction though. That was we kind of just like dumped. Yeah, we're not holding anything. It's not horrible. We can maintain it. Come on, baby. Yeah, we just hit that 9 AMA pretty hard. I'm still keeping my stop loss the same area. But that's like really good rejection right there though. Or bounce. But again, we can't do anything until we break that red line. Then I will move my stop to build that pivot. But in the meantime, we're just gonna keep waiting. We might make a lower high though. We might. See a bit better. That's what I'm worried about. We might just make a lower high here. We did just disrespect that and respect the inversion, but it's only 1 minute. It's not like it's crazy. Now we wait. But at this point, we either flush or we rip. There is no in between. Come on, we pop. Come on. There we go. It's a good pop. Kind of. Again, I can't do anything for my stop until we hit that red line. Because I still think we might just make it a lower high. I hope I'm wrong, but we did respect the inversion, which is good. And obviously our favorite rally get, so. Now we just wait. Nothing afraid is gonna happen. They're just trying to make a higher low or a lower high. So we might just flush here. I'm not surprised that's happening at all. Ugh. These trades usually hit and run, man. So the fact I'm still in this is not a good sign. We just created this. We've now tested this gap too many times. I'm not a fan of. Yeah, we might lose it right here. We don't hold this low. That would be a higher low. It might get ugly. You guys can see it better. Yeah, we just respected that gap. Bearish fair value gap. We might just dump here. Stops are in place. Or whatever happens. Might just flush. Yeah, we're gonna flush. Oh man. All good. We just couldn't hold that structure. Things are playing with me. Yeah, we're not looking good right now. Yeah, if we break that low, we would just continue the downtrend. So it's pretty important. Yeah, we're doing a lower time frame, bearish downtrend. We could have a chance if this thing breaks this high, but it seems improbable.
Drinking 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, one more for
But those are higher low, so if we take that low out. I'll wait full stop. I'll wait full stop. We've been in pretty heavy drawdown. Come on, pop. Give me a pop.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last. Like it last to the break of day. No matter what
there you go.
say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot
Not bad.
for the gifted, triple shot for the pay. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
This thing can just, come on, baby. This thing cannot hold it. Come on. Don't die on me. What time is it? It's 8 minutes till also reversal time, which that's still a lot of time. But come on. I gotta pay my bills. Ugh. There we go. Need a big pop here. That's what we need. Big old pop. No? Okay. Not bad. Alright, If we can get above that red line, I'll move my stop just below the zone, but I'm not sure we're gonna get it. This thing's fighting pretty hard. For every 2 bullish candles, 1 bearish candle takes it out. It's not a good sign usually. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Here we go. No. Adam, stop, dude. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna move my stop. Never mind, not that reaction. Holy cow. This thing cannot hold bull structure for the life of it, dude. It's just insane to me. Alright, let's move it just a little bit. Because at this point, if it tactical this gap, it's not gonna work. Wow, this thing just won't go, dude. I don't understand it. It just does not want to go. It's incredible. Thing's really fighting. Like, really fighting. Oh my gosh. Alright, well. Yeah, this thing's going. Yeah. This thing can't hold it. It just can't hold it. It's insane. It's so weak. Just so weak. Holy war news. That's a pretty devious candle. So we just can't hold it low. Yep. Alright. We de-risk a tiny bit, so it's not a total 1 hour loss. So yeah, there's range, man. Come on. This trade had no delivery, like at all. It just can't hold the bullet structure. What the? What are you saying? Come on, baby. I gotta chop and prop it, not draw down. Oh boy. Looks like the dump is imminent. Like Bulls are low-key giving it up. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Wow. Just took an L on that. That was cool. Ugh. I was in that trade for so long, dude. Wow. Alright, well, yeah, I'm better in the day. Whatever. Dude, I was just in that trade for like... I was just in that trade for so long. Don't worry, I'll probably rip up now. Oh, then that trade for. I was just in that thing. Yeah, since 10:05, so like 25 minutes. That's what it is. Good setup, just had literally no. It was so choppy. Like, extremely choppy. Should I have taken this entry? Oh, let me move this for you guys. Oh wow, we're like dumping nothing. Oh, that's why we have stop losses. Jeez. Yeah, this team just did not want to go today. Well, it did, just didn't go. Didn't go higher. All good. Looks like we just entered that zone again though. So now we could if I leave my just gonna try this. Probably shaking the phone. Not bad. Alright. Oh, we have. So we just hit that zone. Ooh. 10:30, so it's still time for another trade. I don't know if I'll get another one, but we'll see. Looks like we're already back down to where my stop was. I'll probably moon now. Looks like it could have been a better manipulation here. Now we inverse this. We could. And if we close above that. Ooh, hello. Ah, we're good. Okay. No, what is that? Yo, my candle? Did my 1 minute just gap? What the? You gotta be kidding me now. So we stop me out on this red line right here. And now we're just ripping to oblivion. Alright, bro. No facts, though, money. You're right, though. I thought it'd be much stronger, but shorts are definitely cooking today. You wanted something for there? Sure. We hit that 15-minute demand zone. It's broke structure to upside the 1 minute, 5 minute. Still a little choppy. Definitely a chop fest right now. I might just not take any more trades today though. Probably just chill. Probably just chill. That was crazy, dude. A gap in a moment. Like, what is that? More than 1 minute. This is the 5 minute. That's my 5 minute right there. I was on 1 minute before. You see that better? Yeah, 5 minutes still pretty bearish. It's fine. I don't really use too many indicators. I just use a 90-man view app. That's about it. Low key, I don't really use most indicators low key lag. I like to keep price and volume. That's my main concern. But just looking for that manipulation going on here. Other idea, just had bad timing. Looks like we're respecting this. Move that for you guys. You might respect that. You know, just take something like, yeah, we're definitely back to that. There we go. Something like that, good. You can take that. Probably target, like, I still want these eyes, but there's a gap. Oh, okay. That red line is, I guess can't see it. My target is still a 15-minute gap fill, but I'm having a hard time today just maintaining bullish. Pretty weak. It's all good. I don't know why I say low and lows down there, but it's my trash. Oop. I don't know what that noise is. Why not D&D on? Weird. I'm probably not taking anything else today. I really like that first one because we took out London session lows and Asia session lows. Now we're kind of like, we're low-key like manipulating both sides now. I don't like when it does that. Now we wait. I don't know what that candle was. Let's see if we can. I guess the only way I take another trade today, I guess. No. Probably Oh, what's up, Aiden? W follow, dude. W follow. Let's go. Appreciate it, dude. W mans. W mans. Oh, an hour right there, huh? This zone has some high volume. I'll tell you that one. We're reacting way better than we were before. Ooh. Move this for you guys. There we go. See if you can. Hope you guys can see that. Looks like we're respecting that gap though. I am not mad at my loss today. I thought it was a good trade. Here, I'll show you a little of what I took today. I took an L, but like it is what it is. Basically, we had this big manipulation happen on right here. Right? We tested this. We took out London session lows, Asia session lows. Then I waited for right here this inverse to happen, and it absolutely mooned. I missed that first entry. So then I found this gap right here. I waited till we took out this internal liquidity. Right here, that was my entry, but it just ended up, and we chopped around for literally 30 minutes. It was good entry, good movement, good volume. It just had no delivery. And there's nothing I can do about it. I'm not gonna sit here and tilt. Like, trade's over. It is what it is. It is what it is. Looks like we have no data today or tomorrow. So let's see. We might be a little choppy because of that and war news. Oh. War news low key could be interesting, but sit and wait, fellas. Sit and wait. I have about probably 13 minutes left, and I'm calling it. What are we calling it after that? W live though today. We get some good a lot of people here actually. It's like we're still kind of hanging on. Still hanging on to this. Not really doing much. Delivery is rough. Or distribution, if you want to call it. It's rough today. We're super choppy. I still wanted that 15-minute gap. I guess we're just gonna wick out. Dude, we're already chopping again. You're kidding me? Yeah, I'm definitely not taking anything else today. This is low-key pathetic. This is pathetic. Yeah, we're weak. We are weak today, man. That's a fact. We're just having a rough time maintaining structure. Look at it. We're gonna probably chop for like 30 minutes again. Yet we took out all these lows. It's funny. Oh no, we're range bound again. What a surprise. Might call early today. It's annoying. This is just annoying at this point. Just to get a gigantic crit right now. I mean, we had some decent, so we have some accumulation going on here. And then we low-key manipulated into that 15-minute zone. I'll show you guys what I mean. So we have a 1-minute accumulation going on, right? See that? Then we manipulated down into this 15-minute zone with that right here, this candle, a nice wick, and then we pushed higher. Fair value gap formed right here. I could have taken this inverse right here. I could have taken that, but I didn't like how we were still bearish on every other time frame. So I decided just to kind of sit on hands for now and wait. That's all you can do. There we go. Good movement. Finally some movement, dude. Holy cow. Of course, when I'm in it, we're deciding a bit. And I was wrong. Lord have mercy on my soul. Does NQ just like wanna sit in the same range all day? Or MNQ? Funny. Let's see what ES is up to. Oh, looks like we did a little S&T this morning. It's like, looks like we oh, that 15 though. Oh, I did not see that. Oh, I didn't know that just happened. Maybe brother in Christ. What is this? I guess I could have taken that, right? But low-key mid trade. Wait. I mean, I could have taken ES today. So I guess here, let me show you what I mean. I could have taken ES today, but I don't really like trading ES. It kind of has. I don't like the overall movement on it. I feel like it low-key, I don't know, moves kind of weird. But alright, well I have about like 7 minutes left in me. If I even make it that far. I wanna scream. Shit. Oh no, another gap didn't work. Shocker. Yeah, L movement today. L movement. L movement. No, I'll probably go online. Everyone else made money besides me. Social media is weird. So you're telling me? Yeah. Look at it, dude. You're telling me that we are not in a chop fest right now? Holy cow. I had the right idea. We just had no, we had no delivery. Racy! Let's take this off. Ow. How do I flip the camera? Yeah, so no, we had like no delivery today. We had to get a tree, so I'll show you. Flip the camera. Alright. So my initial entry was off this gap right here. And then I took this internal liquidity right here. That red line is like right here. So that's what I was looking for entry. And I took it and I ended up losing. Obviously broke that. But basically I lost 200. I'll show you here. I don't care to show my losses. Let's focus. Yeah, that's what I lost today. I lost 200. But it is what it is. We will try again tomorrow. Pretty bad movement. It wasn't that good. I wasn't that good movement today, so I'll just take my loss and move on. But yeah, we will try again tomorrow. Peace. Alright. Hey, sorry guys. Took an L today, but it is what it is. We're good.